you can earn $500 every day in free PayPal money. Yeah, this is the make money online opportunity that I'm about to show in this video that will make you more than $500 if you just do and just be active and just do as I say you to do. I'm going to show you 4 different websites today that will make you definitely, if you work regularly and you can make definitely $500 or more or less if you just be attentive and watch till the end. But before I show you that, hi, this is Jash from Money Hunt. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the sites that I have to show. That I'm going to show 4 sites that is really make you lots of money if you work regularly and be attentively every day. The site number 1 site that I have to show is called treasuretroopers.com. Yes, this is treasuretrooper.com. This is a really like old site. It's working. If you just scroll down, you can see that it is working since 2005. So this is a really old site and it looks really old as well, but definitely don't go by the looks. It works really well. If you just simply sign up here, you will get $1 for free as a gift for joining to this website. They have lots of offers ranging from 50 cents to $50, but I'm in my case I have tried these websites and I get paid many times from these websites instantly without any problem. These websites can make you more than $100 every day without any hassles. If just simply it has some $20-50 surveys. It's very easy to fill up and very easy to complete, and they are very good at collecting survey offers for you every day. So they are oldest in this business, but they also have some really cool reward offers like gems, and you can make gems in various features like some missions, like some games, and like some interesting treasure hunt mission, and some games like you can just pet a dinosaur or something like animals like that, and you can earn gems for that, and you can convert those gems into various gifts, offers and money as well. And definitely their refer friend is very interesting. You can receive 20% every friend you refer to these websites, and you can just earn more 5% from their referrals, and you can earn it for unlimited opportunity, unlimited time, and for lifetime you can get it done. You can just simply register here. We simply put your email and your first name and hit register, and you're good to go with this. And it pays in PayPal, and you can just simply input your PayPal email address and you are going to get paid. And believe me, this is the oldest site in this business and they always pay instantly. Believe me, they pay instantly. Their payments proofs are out there. You can just simply go there, and you can, if it's after login, they have a forum sections and lots of people every day uploading payment proofs here. So they have already paid more than $7 million, and definitely this is a real site that's going to stay like decades now, and it's very good opportunity to hop in right now. And you can just simply earn money by playing these games and completing paid service. This is very easy, believe me. Then the second site that I want to show in this video, it's called prizerebel.com. Yes, this is prizerebel.com. This is also a very interesting site that is really easy to sign up. Just simply put your first name, last name, email and passwords and hit start making money, and in 10 seconds you are good to go to earn and make money online. So it's just simply another paid service online. They have lots of service as well. You can earn points, and after you collect some points you can redeem it for cash and gift cards. They also supports iTunes, Amazon, eBay, Visa, Steam gift cards. So opportunity is limitless. Simply it's 100% free. Just sign up and you earn points by completing online service. Those are very easy to fill up. Just simply complete the service every day and you can cash out on PayPal as well. They support, and you can just earn from, you can just want gift cards, you can get that too. It supports Google Play, Roblox, Amazon, and all those top tier gift cards companies out there, and you can make a decent amount of money by using Priceable. Also they have some free rewards options that you can just take some really good gifts like these people are getting with those points you earn from Priceable.com. So opportunity is limitless. They are featured on Trustpilot, Survey Police, Sitejabber, and Insider. So these are real site. This is real payment, and you can get paid without any hassles. And this sites works really well. So like those treasure trooper sites, these sites also has lots of survey offers every day uploaded for you to earn a decent amount of money every day. You can just spend some hours and you can make $50 to $100 in these websites. Easy money for you for PayPal, easy free PayPal money, definitely. So if you're liking this method so far, just go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you always stay with my channel and with my videos every day. So let's move on to the third website that I'm about to show in this video. It's called Surveya. It's a monkey site, with a monkey head, and it's called surveya.com. Yes, this is also as it is, it's a service site. Definitely this is a worldwide opportunity. All type of service around the world is present in these websites. You can just simply, if you just want it, you can change the language here, and you can do service on that region. And definitely you can just simply hit register with Surveya with this button and simple form fill up, and you're good to go with this. But definitely Surveya sends paid service and they pay in euro. Definitely you can get paid on PayPal, and you can get Amazon gift cards as well. But definitely you just simply log in here, you earn money by just simply completing various simple surveys, and you can also read the latest news, and you can earn money. You can earn money responding to those surveys and news and various studies, and you can just simple answer a simple questionnaire and you can get money for that as well. So definitely Surveya is a really fantastic site to earn money. They are really working in 123 countries around the world with 2 million users, and already they redeemed 1 million euros. So it's really good service sites. You can count that they have like 3 million surveys, and you can just do as many surveys as you want. Opportunity is limitless. You can just simply go to this website called surveya.com and register and start working with this. You can make around $100-200 every day. You can just simply fill up all the surveys. Opportunity is limitless. You can make thousands of dollars with this. But definitely if you be practical, if you just spend some hours every day in this website, you can make easily $100-200 in these websites by just simply completing this service. And the fourth website that I want to show in this website is also a survey site. It's called surveytime.io. It's surveytime.io. It is also a very good and lucrative survey site that instantly reward you $1 for every survey. So it contains lots of $1 surveys that are very easy to fill up and just take 2 to 5 minutes for you to complete it. And it's very easy sign up process. Just simply input your email address and you hit start now and you're good to go. You can also use sign up with Facebook, Google and Twitter as well. But definitely they have a good Trustpilot rating, you can see that, and they are really working good. They can pay you by PayPal and other bitcoins and other gift cards like Amazon and Visa and Target and so on so forth. You can just simply be happy with working with Survey Time. I'm sure about that. You can just simply spend some hours and you can make $100 every day with these websites. And all combinations of all these four websites of Treasure Troopers, Price Revel, Surveya and surveytime.io, you can make a $500 or more. If you just spend couple of hours daily, you can make $500. It's very minimum. You can make thousands dollar, but definitely if you target low at first and you can just like hit $50, $100 day mark, and then over and over you get experience, and if more work you do in these websites, more higher paying sites, higher paying service will open for you, and you can participate to those services and you can make thousands of dollars. For definitely $500 you can make with these websites per day. Is free PayPal money. You do not need to have any money to invest. You do not need any skills. You do not need to create anything. You just simply log into these websites daily and earn money online. If you just be active, and money will follow you always. So this is it, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.